Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to create public text channels on Discord Mobile with all the latest steps for 2025. Whether you're setting up a brand new server or just want to add more places for your community to chat, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device and head over to your server. You'll find your servers listed on the left side. Just tap the one where you want to create your new text channel. At the top of your server page, look for either the three dots or tap the server's name. This opens up the main menu for your server. From here, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Channels. This is where you'll see all the channels that already exist on your server. To add a new channel, tap the plus icon, usually located in the top right corner. You'll be prompted to choose the type of channel you want. Select Text Channel to create a space for written messages, images, and more. Next, give your channel a name that fits its purpose. Maybe something like General Chat, Memes, or Announcements. After naming your channel, you'll see options to set who can access it. Here you can choose which roles or specific members will be able to view and participate in the channel. If you want your channel to be public, make sure the @everyone role has permission to view and send messages in the channel. You can also fine-tune these settings if you want a channel to be exclusive to certain roles or members. Once you've set the permissions, tap Create or Confirm to finish. Your new text channel will now appear in your server's channel list, ready for your community to join the conversation. That's it. You've just created a public text channel on Discord Mobile. Now, your server members have a new place to chat, share, and connect. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips for customizing your Discord experience. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.